Hey guys, Alex here. Today I wanted to take a moment to show you guys our window panels. This is the 5th gen 4Runner window panel. These mount directly to our rack system. They are proprietary to our rack system, but they give you a lot of usable mounting space, especially when you have something like a rooftop tent up on your rack. This kind of allows you the ability to keep things like Rotopax, MaxTrax, water port. We've seen chainsaw scabbards. We got an axe on this one. All that can stay outside of the inside of your vehicle to keep more room for gear inside, because all this stuff is weatherproof. It's also nice to keep your traction boards outside once you get them all muddy and gross, instead of having to throw them inside the truck. So another great option for mounting things, and I'll show you around them. Let me take some of this stuff off and I'll show you guys the window panel at its core. So as you can see, this bolts into the side plate on our roof rack, and it lines up perfectly with the rack that it's designed for. So 5th gen window panel, this is designed for our Crestone roof rack. And then down here, we have suction cups that go to the glass. So there's no mounting hardware or anything down low. There's no modification that's needed to the vehicle. All you need is a clean window, and this will mount right up. One of the main things that you're gonna notice is there's a ton of slots, cutouts, holes. We got the Rotopax cutouts. So pretty much you have endless mounting options on this window panel. We have 3 accessories for it currently. We have a Rotopax mounting kit that also comes with some little rubber isolators that you can click in to keep the noise down under like washboard roads. We have our QuickFists mounts that can go up here. These also work on the rack system. We have a traction board mount, so you can mount your MaxTrax or a few other brands of traction boards that use the pin style mounts. And then we have a water port spacer that allows you to put the water port quick release mount onto here and then be able to take that on and off without having any interference with your rack system or rattling on the window panel itself. But that said, with all these holes, you can basically mount whatever you want, so long as you can kind of modify the mounts or make sure that they line up with the holes that are already in the window panels. The window panel only weighs 9 pounds, and it allows you to mount up to 30 pounds per window panel. So as you can see, I'm on the other side of the truck now. This is our traction board mount. These are some MaxTrax. We got 2 of them stacked up on here. You can run up to 4. These just use their mounting pins and then our brackets. And you can also see that the window panel works with an awning. You can also run our offset fly rod holder mounts as well. Being that it mounts super sleek to the actual side plate, it doesn't interfere with anything that's overhanging off the side, tents, none of that. The only thing that we do have interference with right now is it does cover up one of those handles on the back of the rack. So if you have the handle lights with the Baja design lights on there, we're working on a relocation kit so you can get your rock lights back out and usable with the window panels. We just don't have an ETA on those just yet. Hopefully this gives you guys a good idea of how these window panels can be used on your builds. We currently have them for the 5th gen 4Runner, 4th gen 4Runner, and 3rd gen 4Runner. Today I showed you the 5th gen 4Runner window panel. We are working on more of these though to hit more vehicles. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment below, shoot us an email, give us a call. We're happy to help, and make sure to subscribe. We're going to keep pushing out more content for you guys.